Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to Hyundai Davao. So, ang unit natin for today is Hyundai Creta top of the line GLS IPT. So, in front is meron na po tayong DRL or daytime running light which is already LED, and LED na din po yung ating headlight and ang ating fog lamps. So, kanina unit guys is pwede natin siya ma-on and ma-on through remote. So, pindutin lang natin yung lock button ng dalawang beses and i-hold po natin siya. So, here naman po na side is ang ating mags is already 17 and 200 po yung ating clearance. So guys, keyless entry na din po siya. Pwede natin pindutin dito para ma-unlock yung ating sasakyan. So pag ma-unlock, mag-o-open yung side mirror. Pag i-lock naman natin, mag-fold naman po siya. So ito po yung itsura niya sa loob. So two-tone na din po yung interior. At the same time, meron tayong armrest and may keyless wireless charging para tayo sa cellphone. At the same time, push start button. So ito yung itsura ng dashboard niya guys, and touchscreen infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So yan, turn off muna natin siya. So dito na yung mga aircon kung cold or hot, and then volume ng aircon, pump adjustment. So meron na din siyang guys, pag ipipindot ito siya, magfo-fold yung ating side mirror and mag-o-open din siya. So here sa second row is meron tayong cup holder sa middle. So pwede rin natin siyang i-fold para if you ever need yun ng bigger cargo space for your mga dala-dala. So mas malaki yung mas marami tayong makarga ng mga gamit. So here in a second, meron na ring aircon ventilation. At the same time, meron na rin po tayong charging port. Here at the back naman po is naka-LED na po tayo na taillight. At the same time, may sensor, reverse sensor and reverse camera. So yung pag-open nating trunk is manual pa po siya. Hindi pa po siya di-remote or hindi pa po siya push button. So nandito po naka-located yung ating spare tire which is Donna type. 17 din po yan siya. And this kind of car is equipped with the Smart Sense technology, which is yun yung advantage niya compared to the other competitor. So meron siyang keep laning assist, following assist, and meron din siyang hill assist. So guys, for more inquiry, you can message me on my Facebook account and call me on my number, or you can text me anytime. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.